I can't believe I paid $1,690 for this bag. Are YSL bags worth it? First impressions, it looks like a nice pigmented calf skin. Looks pretty natural, and the touch has a nice little silky and semi-gloss look to it. The only little thing I noticed that I wouldn't expect from a bag of this caliber is a little yarn left in the cleaning process here. We're gonna take it apart and see how the internal integrity is. So let's apply acetone to dissolve the bondage of the finish on top of the leather to understand how the hide is hidden behind the finish. So this is the finish employed here. It's the acrylic or PU based finishes we typically use in leather. This seems like, to me, it's a top grain calf skin. It's a good choice. There's not very heavy, extensive finish on it. Overall, it's pretty tasteful, even though it's a standard finish, pretty tasteful and good leather. Seems like it's a chrome-based leather. The description didn't say any claim it's vegetable or chrome-free, metal-free, so I was expecting this to be chrome. It shows chrome characteristics anyways. So I see about 6 square foot of calf skin in front of me. I think $50 should be enough to cover off leather costs of this caliber to make a bag of this sort. Accessories and craftsmanship should be around $100, $110. It's made in Italy. It's mediocre complexity. There's nothing too complicated except the quiltings over here, which is done by CNC machines anyways. So what makes it worth it? My whole point is to give this information to the leather consumer so you can make better decisions, because I believe some people are confused, since leather is always associated as a luxury and expensive item, and you see from these brands these really heavy price tags. You automatically may think, oh, it's the leather, probably it's really high quality, that's why it costs this much. This bag probably costs about $160 to make, yet it's retailed at $1,690 on YSL website. It's usually about the experience, the box it comes in, all that embellishment comes with the brand, and that's what you're paying for. If you don't care about any of that stuff, it's a little too much.